Hi everyone, this video is a part of Macquarie University's coding tutorials, and today we're going to take a look at how do you populate a multi-dimensional array with non-homogeneous subarrays. I'm going to start with 4 single-dimensional arrays, which contains marks of 4 students, Ali, Bob, Cindy, and Dina. Ali took 4 units and scored these marks. Bob scored these marks in the 3 units that they took. Cindy scored a perfect 100, while Dina did not complete any unit. So maybe Dina withdrew or whatever, but the array was not instantiated. Because a two-dimensional array is nothing but an array of arrays, it means that every item of a two-dimensional array is a one-dimensional array. So I can put these one-dimensional arrays into the two-dimensional array. So I can say integer array of array marks contains the items Ali, Bob, Cindy, and Dina. What's actually happening is that marks 0 becomes Ali, marks 1 becomes Bob, marks 2 becomes Cindy, and marks 3 becomes Dina, which is essentially reference copies. So in the memory, you have 4 single-dimensional arrays, and then you have a multidimensional array containing 4 items, where the first item is a reference copy of the array Ali. So Ali and marks 0, they both refer to the same instance, which is 10, 70, 20, 90. So if I modify the contents using Ali 0 equals 80, marks 0, 0 will also change to 80. Now let's go through each subarray in the two-dimensional array marks, and then go through each item in that subarray. So right now I'm assuming that each subarray contains the same item, which will bite me in the back very soon. And then we display the subarray and the element in that subarray. So when I run this, you will see that Ali is fine, and it displays the contents of Ali as 80, 70, 20, 90, or marks 0, I should say. Because we changed Ali 0 to 80, marks 0, 0 also became 80. It also displays the first 3 items of marks 0, but then for marks 3, it is out of bounds, because we are our bounding condition is k less than marks 0 dot length. Now, even though marks 0 contains 4 items, marks 1 does not contain 4 items. So you cannot say marks 0 dot length. You have to say marks I, the current subarray's length. Let's run this now, and it will work for the first 3 subarrays. And you can see that now it displays the first 3 subarrays correctly, because the k loop is executing 4 times, 3 times, and once for the third subarray. But for the fourth subarray, it gives you a null pointer exception, because the fourth subarray is a reference copy of Dina, and Dina is null. Therefore, my fourth subarray is null. And I am accessing marks I dot length on a null object. So marks I is null, and you cannot access the length attribute of a null object. So what you need to do is, before you check marks I dot length, or I should put this here, you need to ensure that marks I is not null, and then you check k is less than marks I dot length. So we first ensure that the array or the subarray is not null, and then only if it is not null do we check if k is within the right bounds for that subarray. And now you can see that for the fourth subarray, I get no items. So that's how you create a non-homogeneous array. I hope this video benefited you, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.